when you're from Ohio, when you're in North Carolina in December, and you got your windows down.
It's 45 degrees, it's warm.
And it's sunny. This is a beautiful day. I will take it. You took my spot, girl. We're at Fort Boonesborough State Park, and we do not have a reservation.
I have no idea how you get a site here.
Yep, me neither. We're gonna figure it out though. Online it said you couldn't reserve in the same day that you were arriving, so we saw that all the sites were listed as W for walk-in. So that is what we're gonna do. Piper's ready to check this place out though. He's ready. What about you, guy? You ready too?
We got a site, $37 a night. And when I went in and said I wanted a site, he said, well, you may not want a site. They had a water main break, so they have no water in the entire campground.
Okay.
We always travel, always with a full fresh tank. So we're in luck.
And this day is no different. Look, a liquor world.
I'm more interested in going to Hooters.
Oh, okay.
She's up front.
I know you probably can't tell, but Piper is in, oh, now she's in the driver's seat, but she was in the passenger seat.
She loves to solve puzzles.
Yes, she needs those puzzle treat things. She would be excellent at them. Piper?
she's stuck up front.
Her coat is blinking. Her jacket is on.
Piper!
She turned it on. What are you doing up there? Guy.
I didn't want to put her in the crate because we've been traveling all day, so I used it to block the front. She blocked herself in the front.
Oh, no. Oh, there you go. Just like you did. You did it all by yourself in the race. We found the original fort site on our night walk.
Yeah, there was a Civil War fort here, and you'd think we'd look at it in the daytime, but
You know.
what do we do that's normal?
Yeah, can't do anything right. We're at the haunted boat ramp.
Yeah.
Piper, get out of the mud! Oh my gosh! Made it back.
That was interesting. That was an
Got
adventure.
ourselves a nice nifty Kentucky magnet.
We've been kind of lazy with our magnets because there's so many states that we've been to and we just haven't gotten a magnet for.
Yeah, well, it doesn't help that this is literally the only magnetic surface we have.
I mean, we've been to like California, and New Mexico, and Arizona, and Utah, and Colorado, and Louisiana. I mean, all over the place. Don't have any magnets. Michigan.
We've been everywhere. We don't even have an Ohio magnet.
Nope.
But we added these, the Kentucky one and the Chimney Rock, North Carolina one. Time to move on.
It was a good campground.
Yeah, it was kind of dead, but that's to be expected.
They have a Civil War fort that's got like reenactors and stuff like that, but obviously right now it's closed, so we can see that.
Yeah. The dogs did seem to enjoy it though, with their nighttime walks and everything, and everyone slept really good, so.
On to the next one.
All the sunny skies are turning to overcast. There's rain on the way, and it is windy.
It
It's starting. We just hit the rain.
I want the rain this time. I want to wash that salt off the rain.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
What year is this?
77, I think. Going to get a new motor put in it because he doesn't like this one.
This is just like my old trucking days.
Yep.
You
Here
pull
we
up to
are.
the pump and you'll wait.
We are all waiting. There is no open, and this truck, several trucks are in the road.
And he can't move forward because there's a truck in front of him.
Yeah, you can see over here that truck, and then there's another one in front of this guy. But this guy can move forward when he's done.
He's
but
done.
He's probably in getting a shower or some food, you know, clogging up the...
His pumps are hung up. He just can't move forward.
Oh my gosh, someone's moving. Can't believe it.
Nope,
Oh.
he stopped.
Psych.
He's gonna fill his reefer.
Oh, yeah. The truck behind him got all excited, I bet.
What a tease. Finally gonna move. So, I'm an idiot, and I lost my TSD Logistics fuel card, which gives you, the best discount. We were at a Love's in West Virginia last time I used it, and now we're in Indiana. So somewhere between here and there, I lost it.
Yeah,
But I
just-
got my pilot card, so at least we can use that.
Yeah, we're still getting a little discount, just not a ton.
And make sure, it's like 8 cents a gallon discount with this. So make sure you hang on to your card because they charge me $5 for replacement.
Yeah. Making them work. We have successfully traded in the snow for lots of Wagnering. I mean, rain. So it has been raining all day since we pretty much got into the Louisville area with no signs of stopping. It's supposed to not rain tomorrow, but it will be cooler, but I'll take it. We plan on doing all kinds of hiking here tomorrow. It looks really cool, so I'm pretty excited.
So cold, so quiet, so peaceful. It's just us and the dogs.
Well, we are going to go do some hiking today, and it's gonna be a cold one.
It's 32 degrees.
And it probably will be wet and muddy, but we're going to drive, do some hiking, get back in the Jeep because we do have the dogs, obviously. We want to keep them warm and comfortable. They both have their coats on. Don't cross in front of me on the ice steps. Very cool, huh? They're very gushy today. When they have a carry in, carry out policy and your dog has to go to the bathroom, you gotta carry it out. Wow. Piper is all go, no stop, on the ice.
We're not cold.
Definitely not cold. Guy, that's not the stairs. What are you doing?
Making it harder.
Oh, he's all proud of himself. These are more your kind of stairs, Mikey.
Yes, these are much more my style.
My,
right.
yeah, that was actually like the perfect way to fall if you're gonna fall. Right now we're doing a hike to the fire tower.
Fire tower.
And we made it.
Seriously? It said fire tower on the map. I was like, ooh.
Yeah, well, you can peer at the beautiful coal plant from the fire tower.
I made it to the top. Wasn't really that much of a feat.
Guy, you look sleepy.
You had a big day.
Big day. Piper was ready for more. Yesterday I made a pecan pie, and this is how Mike eats it on a normal basis. There are no plates.
I don't want to dirty a plate.
There are no...
Be wasteful.
Yeah, there's no cutting, no plates.
I'm sure people agree with me. Why be wasteful?
Hot chocolate and pecan pie. It's a good way to end after a hike, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost that time.
It's getting close, couple minutes.
We figured we'd get ready, get our bottle popped, ready to swig it back.
I'm not going to wait. It's only a couple minutes.
Hope this isn't bad luck.
Can't be any worse than 2020 was.
Good point.
It's super bubbly.
It's super bubbly, but I love it. It's so good. I love champagne. Yay!
Good riddance to 2020.
Bye, 2020. See you never. We had a good year despite everything, but we're still here.
Hopefully 21's better.
Yeah. It's almost 11, but you'd never know it. It's doing nothing but rain, and ice is on the way, and just all kinds of gross is happening. So I think it's about time we just decide to head on home.
Unfortunately, reality is calling.
Yeah. So I guess we'll see you guys later.
Yep, see you.
See ya.